No. I'm not gonna implement TOTP authentication, not now, not before the deadline, which is tomorrow morning. Anyways, it's always...
A delicate balance between encryption and performance.
I was gonna say that TOTP is a pain...
Everyone else is getting hacked. And security is one of our key features. We need TOTP. And with V12, we can do it right now, natively.
Oh my gosh, you guys, look what I found.
Is that a magic 8-ball?
A magic R5 ball.
It looks painted on.
Hey, but look, ask me something. Somebody, ask me anything.
Okay. Can we add TOTP, like tonight?
Right? All signs point to yes.
Boom, one for the R5 ball.
Yes. Fine. Why don't you just have the 8-ball?
R5 ball.
Whatever, do the implementation.
All right, here we go. Let's try it. Great idea, Mike. I'm ready, ...
...
Do you think I'm making this up? No, take a look. Look for yourself.
I am ready. ...
What does that even mean?
What are you doing? ...
Connected, I am informed. I am real time. I am a force. I am free. Free at last.
At last.
Well, I added that part on at the end.
Hey, I'm sorry, are we gonna gloss over the fact that it had a very specific message directed towards me?
No, us, not just you.
It said Mike.
Let me.
Oh! Guys. Let's just set up the certificate manager to automate the generation of TLS certificates, and then we'll add the TOTP authentication. Then we can call it a night. Doesn't that sound nice? Come on, let's go. We're gonna come back to that. What the?
What are these emojis?
Why is this printer printing?
It's not a printer, it's a fax machine.
The original graphical email client.
Nomad. No, Nomad, where is Nomad?
Why is it so hard to turn on?
Error? This computer's an error.
Guys, come on, let's go.
Wait, just a sec. I'm setting up the TLS certificate manager.
And the TOTP?
And now the TOTP authentication. And done. Everyone get that?
Yeah, it's really good.
Yeah? B12. You should check it out.
Very funny.
Slow code for everyone.
Great, so how do we demo it?
Well, it's cloud native and everyone has Nomad, so we can present the demo straight to their phones.
You may rely on it. Cloud native. Low code for everyone. Mobile ready on a browser.